We also have the ability to look at the different layers of the page. Sometimes this can be helpful when you're adding sections to a page. If you can't find a specific section using the cursor itself, for example, if you're hovering over and the boxes just don't seem to be lining up over specific images, sometimes it's helpful to look in the Layers tab on the right-hand side toolbar. So again, if we go to the right side and look at the icons above the right side toolbar, you're going to see a Layers icon. It looks like two pieces of paper stacked on top of each other. When we click on that, we're going to see this body drop down at which we can open, and then it reveals all of the individual boxes on the page. So as we hover over these, you're going to see these little outlines appear within the page builder to indicate which box you are hovered over. So now if I open this row, you're actually going to see the newly created box that I just created with the 50-50 width sections. So sometimes the boxes aren't always aligned perfectly. That's just the nature of this page builder. We're working on fixing that. Although you can always easily find boxes by navigating to it in the Layers section on the right-hand side.